Hello iPhone users, on WhatsApp you see the status, it is there of course, but now one more thing has been added, that are emojis. You can add the emoji whatever you're feeling, you can express it through the emojis, right? So you open your WhatsApp, you go to the use section, right, and you tap on your profile to get the information. In the about section you tap on this song or repeat, or that's just a status idea. And here when you see the option of emoji, the simple smile normal emoji, and when you tap on it you get different options. So I've just selected this one and I'm writing something that is similar to that. Life is smart, right? So this is a smart look with the goggles. And now I have just added crying option and adding status of I don't like anything, right? So this emoji is an expression that one can understand how you are feeling and what is your mood at the moment instantly, without reading all the status and everything, right? That's how we do it. You can explore the emojis right away, do it right away in your phone, and let's see how others check it. See you in the next video. Tada! And don't forget to tap on the tick option on right in upper corner to finalize that. Tada!